In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in website. By the end, you'll have your form live on your site and ready for visitors to fill out. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials, while I explain what each action does so you know exactly why you're doing it. First, open Jotform and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the My Forms page. This is where all your forms are listed. Find the specific form you want to add to your website. Hover over it or click to select it, then look for the Share option and click it. The Share area is where Jotform gives you different ways to distribute your form, from direct links to embed options. Since we want the form to appear inside your site, we'll use the Embed tools. Inside the Share panel, choose Embed. You'll see multiple embed types, but to keep things reliable across different website builders and to prevent your site's styles from conflicting with the form, select iframe. An iframe essentially places your form inside a secure frame on the page, so it looks and behaves consistently no matter what theme or plugins your site uses. After selecting iframe, Jotform will display a snippet of embed code. Click to copy that code. Now switch over to your website editor. You'll want to paste the code into the HTML of the page where you want the form to appear. If you're using a content management system or a website builder, look for an HTML or custom code block, or switch the editor to HTML view. Place the code exactly where you want the form to show up in the page layout, typically within the main content area. If you're working directly with files, paste it between the body tags at the desired location. Once the code is in place, save or update your page and preview it. You should see the form load inside the page. If your site uses secure pages, make sure your page is served over HTTPS so the form loads without browser warnings. If you ever notice a scroll bar or extra space around the form, that's usually due to the container size on your site. The iframe code can be adjusted for height and width if needed, but the default works well for most layouts. That's all you need to embed your Jotform. Open Share, choose Embed, select iframe, copy the code, and paste it into your site's HTML where you want it to appear. Publish your changes, test the form, and you're good to go.